Okay, if we're just dealing with AB, what is my Y2? 6 minus, what is my Y1? 3 over X2. What's my X2? 2 minus, what's my X1? Negative 2. Okay, type that in your calculator and see what you get. And if you need help typing in the calculator, please raise your hand. Me or Miss Hanson will come gladly help you. 90% of this today is going to be calculator work, okay? So you need to know how to type it. It's super easy as long as you know how to type it on the calculator. If you don't know how to type it on the calculator, you're not going to be successful, okay? Do not try to do them in your head, okay? Because what happens is you forget to reduce the fraction, or you got negatives going on and you're not good at it, okay? So use the calculator.
I got 3/4.
You know how to type? You're gonna hit that button, and then you're gonna keep the top part.
You want us to click SD when we get it?
No, you will not do SD. No, there you go. You guys all know how to type? You guys should. Good. Did you? Guys, you guys know how to type? Good, good. So you're gonna hit that button. There you go. Okay, so we want it as a fraction, not as a decimal, because when you're dealing with slope, we always use the fraction, not the decimal. So the fraction was what? 3/4. Okay, so this one we know is 3/4. Now we're gonna do this exact same thing with CD. Okay, we're gonna do the exact same thing. So I can't really write above it, but just know that the Y goes to this one, X2 goes to this one goes to this one. So kind of keep them in line. Okay, what is my Y2? 3 minus, what's my Y1? 0 over X2. 3 minus X1. -1. Okay, so type that in your calculator and see what you get.
3/4.
You got 3/4?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about this. Are they parallel? Do they have the exact same slope? Are they perpendicular, meaning that they flipped them and changed it, or are they totally not even the same? They're parallel. Okay, so you have to write the word. Okay, you can write the PAR if you want to. But people will do all this work and then they forget to even answer the question. The question is, are they parallel, perpendicular, or neither? Okay, so you can't just do all the math and not do, like write the word up there, okay? So these are parallel. Can I scroll? Okay, look at 3. We're gonna say X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay, so we're gonna start with AB. I got Y2. It's gonna be 6 minus Y1. 8 over X2. 2 minus X1 is -1. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get. -2/3. Somebody agree? Okay. We're going to do the exact same thing with CD. Okay, what is my Y2? 3 minus Y1. 2 over X2. 3 minus X1. -1. 1/4. Huh? Somebody agree? 1/4. Okay, so are these flipped and changed? Are they the exact same or are they neither? These are neither. Okay, so. Can I scroll? Okay, 5. I got X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay, so it's going to look like 6 minus 7 over -2 minus -4. Okay, the bottom one, there's a lot of negatives going on, okay? So be careful when we're typing them in the calculator. Negative what? 1/2. Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. These are really easy to make mistakes on, so that's why I asked if somebody agreed. Make sure that you're actually typing, okay? So,
But isn't it a negative over a negative, so wouldn't it be positive?
use a calculator.
Huh?
Use a calculator.
It should be.
Use the calculator.
I think it's 1/2.
Hanson says it's positive 1/2.
I think she's wrong.
Yeah,
I think she's wrong too.
I think she did.
But a negative divided by negative is a positive.
Do it on the calculator, you'll see.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
Hmm?
That's okay.
That's not my friend. That is not my friend.
And she not claiming you.
Okay. So Hanson, we can do it your way. What is 6 minus 7?
-1.
-1. Okay, minus minus is gonna be plus.
Right.
Okay, so -2 plus 4
Would be two.
would be
Oh, yeah, you're right. My bad.
all this. Look, she's disrupting class for no reason. I think we should about damn near kick her out. Okay, y2, I'm gonna get 3 minus -2 over -8 minus 2. Okay, but I'm glad Hanson said that. This is why I tell you guys to use a calculator though, because there is a lot of negatives going on, and then you gotta, even if you get the one negative, then you gotta do like, okay, a negative over a negative makes a positive, and then you gotta reduce the fraction, use the freaking calculator. It makes your life so much easier.
It's the same.
It's the same, -1/2. Somebody agree?
Yes.
Okay, so what are these? Parallel. Okay, 7, we got 2 minus 8 over 3 minus -3.
Oh, yeah, I'm pretty much.
-1? Somebody agree?
Yep.
Okay, for CD, I got -1 minus 1 over 5 minus 7. Huh? Positive 1? Okay, so are these parallel, perp, or neither?
Oh, yeah.
Perpendicular.
They're gonna be perpendicular. Okay, so what a 1, really remember, and I said if there's only one number, what number is underneath of it? A 1. Okay, so it's really gonna be 1/1, and this one's gonna be 1/1. So we flip them. What's 1/1 become? 1/1. Okay, the first one is negative. What's the second one? Positive. Okay, because they gotta be flipped, and then we have to change them. So this one is gonna be perpendicular. Okay, and then number 9, I got x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's gonna look like 4 minus 5 over 4 minus 1.
Oh, -1.3. I mean, 1/3.
1/3? Negative or no?
Negative.
Negative 1/3. Somebody agree? No?
Oh, what?
Yes? Okay. Okay, and then the last one is gonna be -5 minus
-10.
-5 minus -10 over -6 minus 9.
-1.3 is parallel.
-1/3?
Yeah.
This is gonna be parallel. Okay, you guys got 5 to do on your own. I'll go through and get your 5.